Hello, dear friends. My name is Alice. Everyone knows that the radio is a thing that can send and receive messages for the air. Also, it broadcasts programs for people to listen to. One can hardly believe that across only the USA there are more than 9,000 radio stations. Maybe some people think that radio is a waste of time and money, but they are wrong. Radio has a lot of advantages. We can rest and relax, receive important information, and travel around the world without wasting money. Our talk show is called Around the World. We speak about different countries here. Today we will speak about Russia and Russian culture. We will speak about it with famous traveler. She has certainly visited Russia. Her name is Taylor. She will tell us things that she knew about this country. And I want to remind you our telephone number 345-876. You can call us and ask questions for Taylor. And let's begin our talk show. Hello, Taylor.
Hi, Alice and dear people.
Please tell us about your travel.
Well, it was very exciting. Russia is the largest country in our world. The land of Russia is very different. There are many forests, deserts, high mountains and deep lakes, and also many kinds of animals.
What about capital of Russia?
The capital of Russia is Moscow. I visited it myself. Moscow is fantastic culture center. There are many museums, theaters, cinemas and art galleries. Moscow is famous for the Red Square. I have been there myself. It was very fantastic. A lot of tourists visited every day. When I was in Tretyakov Gallery, there are many beautiful pictures written by the Russian artists. I was amazed.
Oh, and what could you say about people in Russia?
Oh, people in Russia are very kind, funny and hospitable. Russian people are proud of famous sportsmen, artists and singers.
Taylor, I have heard that Russia has severe climate. Is it true? What can you say about it?
Yes, it is true. We can't understand how people in Russia experience hot summers and frosty winters. In fact, summer temperature is about 24 degrees above zero and winter temperature is about 20 degrees below zero. Because of it, people in Russia eat very much food. Traditional dishes are porridge, kvass and pelmeni. I really liked this food.
Oh, it's fantastic. And what about mass media in Russia? Do Russian people often use the internet, watch TV, read newspapers?
Yes, they do. Russian people watch TV, listen to the radio, read newspapers and use the internet.
Taylor, do you know how many channels are there in Russian television?
Oh, people in Russia watch TV so much. The main channels of Russia are the First Channel and Russia Channel. Almost everyone has satellite or cable television. At last I want to say that I liked Russia very much. I liked Russian people and Russia culture. The population keeps old traditional folk songs, fairy tales and customs. I think it was very beautiful.
Okay, thank you, Taylor. I think that our listeners have known a lot of this beautiful country. Next week we will speak about New Zealand. See you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.